From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with a faulty bed remote control? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution, the new bed remote control replacement from Lily by WDZP. This innovative product is designed to make your life easier, with its smart tech features and durable construction. As a well-reviewed and popular product, many customers have purchased and reviewed it, praising its effectiveness and user-friendly interface. One of the key benefits of this remote control is its compatibility with various adjustable bed bases, including Egohome Sven & Son Richmat HJH89 Beverly. The remote is made of high-quality ABS material, which gives it a smooth texture and a solid feel in your hand. When you press the buttons, you'll notice a subtle click sound, indicating that the command has been registered. The device is also remarkably lightweight, weighing only 0.22 pounds, making it easy to hold and maneuver. The WDZP new bed remote control replacement offers a lifetime warranty and exceptional service, giving you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. In real-life use cases, this product has proven to be a reliable and efficient solution for adjusting your bed to the perfect position. Unlike other products on the market, this remote control is designed with the user in mind, providing a seamless and intuitive experience. With its durable construction and smart features, this product is a great investment for anyone looking to upgrade their bed control system. Overall, I highly recommend the new bed remote control replacement from Lily by WDZP. It's a smart choice that will make a significant difference in your daily life. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.